Hey guys, so I'm Akash.
I'm Asha.
And today we're going to be making Langue de Chat or cat's tongue. I can't make it for the video because I have work to do. So I'm going to let Asha take you through it. Let's see how these turn out. I'll be back.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Say bye to him. Hi, I'm Asha. You may have seen me in our previous videos. Due to this coronavirus, we're still stuck at home. This is actually good. I get to have lunch and tea with my family even on weekdays. I really enjoy tea time. During tea time, my favorite snacks are these little time cookies. They're called Langue de Chat or cat's tongue. In Singapore, all the dessert shops are closed. We have finished our stock of these cookies, so I will make them by myself. My aunt, Goodreads, will help me with the adult bits. We'll need cake flour, almond flour, powdered sugar, we are using icing sugar, vanilla for the smell, egg white and butter. This is a delicate cookie, so measure the ingredients properly. So now we are going to put powdered sugar, which is icing sugar, into the bowl, which has butter. Okay, so now we're going to mix it together well. You must mix it by hand. And it doesn't take a long time, but you just need it to go together. Okay, so we are done. Now we will put 40 grams of egg white into this. And now we are going to mix it well until it's smooth and creamy. Done? Okay, so now we are going to shift almond flour and cake flour together into the bowl. 30 grams of almond flour and this 30 grams of cake flour. Okay, so now we are done and we are going to mix it together until all the cake flour just goes in there. And it must be smooth and creamy. So don't overmix the flour or then it will get spoiled. But mix it gently. Oh, I forgot the main ingredient, vanilla. She's going to help me just scrape the vanilla. So we are done mixing the vanilla. So we need a piping bag and just put it into a jar. And that's the way. Now we're just going to pour that in. And then now we are done pouring in the batter of the cookies. So now we're just gonna tie this. Before we put it on the tray, we are just gonna put it in the fridge. And now we're going to make chocolate one. We're going to put little blocks of this into the tray.
Hey guys, so I'm back. These are cookies, so just even pressure on the end of the piping tip. So now Asha's gonna sprinkle the nuts over each of the cookies. We're using almonds to stack.
We heat the oven to 170 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Bake the cookies for 15 minutes, then open the door to bring the temperature to 100 degrees. Set thermostat to keep 100 degrees and dry the cookies that temperature for 15 more minutes. There they are out of the oven. Please check out our Langue de Chat chocolate version. It's so good and it's the best. I'm going to show you these cookies. They've come out perfectly. That's coming back! If you like my video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.